Ito nga, nalulungkot ako nung narinig ko rin sa ating sponsor kanina na yung Project Management Office ng Mindanao Railway Program, 3 taon na lang, sabi ni Senator JV. Before the Duterte administration, alam ko yan, 2 tao yan. I think nasa Cebu pa ata. Oh, hindi siya, wala nga sila sa Mindanao, nasa Cebu lang yata sila. Pagdating ng Duterte administration, headline yan eh. Headline project yan eh. Mindanao Railway.
So dito po mga kabayan, pag-usapan po natin itong pinakamalaki cloud streets ng proyekto ng dating Pangulong Duterte. Ito pong railway ng Mindanao na kung saan ay kini-question ni Coco Pimentel na kung bakit ay napabayaan at nawala ang pera or di kaya inubos o kinain ng Bowaya. At kung ikaw ay bago pa lang sa ating YouTube channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindot sa notification bell para updated ka. Let's go!
Ito nga, nalulungkot ako nung narinig ko rin sa ating sponsor kanina na yung Project Management Office ng Mindanao Railway Program, 3 taon na lang, sabi ni Senator JV. Before the Duterte administration, alam ko yan, 2 tao yan. I think nasa Cebu pa ata. Oh, hindi siya, wala nga sila sa Mindanao, nasa Cebu lang yata sila. Pagdating ng Duterte administration, headline yan eh. Headline project yan eh. Mindanao Railway. Flagship project yan eh. And then after the Duterte administration, 3 tao na lang. So, how come ganyan tayo mag-decide parang naligo lang tayo, naisipan natin paglabas natin sa shower, sabihan natin, gawa tayo ng railway, tapos naligo naman yung new leader, paglabas niya, sabihin niya, hindi, ayaw na natin. Gano'n? Is that how we decide? Tama po ba yung facts ko? Teka, si Secretary naman, you have people there with institutional memory. Tama ba yung facts ko? Yung Project Management Office ng Mindanao Railway, before Duterte administration, 2 tao. Tama? Ngayon, 3 tao, facts yan. In between, during the Duterte administration, lumaki yan. Of course, dahil naging flagship project yan eh. And then it's that easily abandoned.
Your Honor, Mr. President, because you are correct, no, that during the Duterte administration, it was, tama kayo na-announce na talagang Mindanao Railway Project will be a flagship project, no, of yung, ano nga ba yun, yung flagship projects nila ng Duterte administration, yung kanyang infrastructure.
Agong Tudigos naman.
That's the first phase, Your Honor, Mr. President.
Before the Duterte administration, yung Project Management Office sa 2 tao, ano yun, Iligan to Cagayan de Oro yun. Ang focus nun. Oh.
Yes, Your Honor. Unfortunately, when at the onset of the new administration, we withdrew the loan application because hindi po nagkasundo with the Exim Bank ba, no? DOF and China Exim Bank had a disagreement, so we withdrew the loan application. So probably one of the reasons that the DBM did not put funding anymore kasi nga po hindi na po siya ongoing. But ang sa DOTR naman po kasi there's a policy difference sa kanila po kasi they would want to continue funding it because yung mga prerequisites po that were discussed earlier, no, yung pong land acquisition, utilities, relocation has to continue so that because for example the Mindanao Railway project is a NEDA approved project, this will happen later on, but we're hoping that the DOTR is hoping that the Mindanao Mindanao Railway Project will still be funded para po yung mga prerequisites will be taken care of so that when the project commences in the future, at least po hindi na maulit yung mga same mistakes that we are encountering now with the NSCR and Metro Manila Subway project.
Okay, so the Mindanao Railway project is still part of the rail transport program. And
Yes, Your Honor.
And then when you planned your budget, what is the amount that you gave to the project? So Mindanao Railway project under a program siya. So magkano po?
Your Honor, Mr. President, the DOTR is requesting 5.4 billion, Your Honor. So 5.4 billion po yung Mindanao Railway Project.
Okay. And that is found, if we now examine the committee report, that's in the programmed.
Zero po siya lahat. It's not in the NEP, it's not in the GAB. So it's zero, Your Honor, Mr. President.
Ang galing! Ang galing!